Thanks for joining us today on Suncoast FYI. I'm Nancy O'Neill. Dr. Jonathan Greco is here to tell us about a revolutionary treatment of osteoarthritis and dealing with joint pain. And welcome to the show, Doctor.
Great, thanks,
Thank
Nancy.
you. Can you tell us about the current treatments that are being used to deal with this?
For example, if you talk about osteoarthritis of the knee, the standard treatments early on in the disease are Tylenol, anti-inflammatories like Motrin, Naprosyn, Advil. Later on, as the disease progresses, people may need steroid shots like a cortisone shot to decrease the swelling and inflammation. In small amounts, that's okay. Later on, that can be deleterious to the cartilage. Then there's hyaluronic acid shots. You may have heard of something like Hyalgin shots. They are somewhat effective in very mild disease, and then later on, the other treatments are narcotic medications and eventually surgery.
Okay.
The important point of all of these treatments are none of them really change the progression of the disease, don't change the course of the disease. People end up, no matter how many times they get treated with these modalities, they end up getting, say, for example, a knee replacement.
Okay, and there's probably side effects from taking all these drugs as well.
Yes,
right?
there are many.
Then why do doctors use these procedures?
Well, it's all they have. And they do work, but like anything, there are side effects to everything. And part of it is because they're covered by their insurance, and they really don't have many other choices.
Okay. Well, then you have come up with something. You have come up with a revolutionary treatment that
Well, I
like to
didn't come
hear
up
about.
with it, but
Okay.
there's researchers at Brown University have found a protein that's in our own blood. It's called alpha-2 macroglobulin, or the shorthand is A2M.
Okay.
There was a study 2 years ago in arthritis and rheumatology that showed that this protein, again, it's in our own blood, if you inject it into the joint, it will prevent cartilage breakdown.
Wonderful.
Essentially stopping arthritis in its tracks, so it allows us to build new cartilage. So this is a real game changer.
Okay.
And unfortunately, not many people know about it.
Okay.
Not a lot of docs know about it either. And there's pharmaceutical companies right now rushing to develop a man-made form of this. Meanwhile, we already have it in us, and we can use it. And when we use our form of platelet-rich plasma called cytokine-rich plasma, we already have A2M in it, and we've actually had it in there for the past 8 years. So that, again, like I said, this is a game changer. This is stopping arthritis so that you can grow your own cartilage.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
It truly is.
So that's what people can expect from this treatment, is
That's
they're
correct.
going to get better by using something that they already have within them.
Right. And it's natural.
It's great.
It's made by you, for you.
Well, I would like to know more about this. Obviously, I'm at that age where things are starting to, cause me a little discomfort here and there. Where can I go to find out more about the services that you offer?
Well, our office is right here in town in Sarasota, right on Main Street. Our website is Joint Pain USA, and our phone number is 941-952-3300.
Wonderful. Great. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks so much
today.
for having me.
It was great. Thank you. Next on Suncoast FYI, we will introduce you to the motto, "Keep it clean." We'll have details after the break, so stay tuned.